Dulu ya, Good afternoon to all of you. Most respected Vice Chancellor of West Horticulture University, Dr. K. Gopal Garu, and all university officers who are present here in this virtual meeting. And the special invitees of today's program, Dr. Muhammad Ismail Garu, Principal of SASI Institute of Technology and Engineering, Tadepalligudem. And also we have another guest, Dr. M. Pavan Kumar Rajgari, Head of Innovations. He is also from SASI Institute of Technology and Engineering, Tadepalligudem. I welcome all the other participants of today's virtual Zoom meeting. So this is being conducted by Dr. YSR Horticulture University for collaborative research and student exchange program, and also for signing MOU with SASI Institute of Technology and Engineering. So with this intention, today this program is called for. I once again welcome the invitees, special invitees of today's program, Dr. Muhammad Ismail Garu and also Pavan Kumar Rajgari for this virtual Zoom meeting. With this introductory remarks, I now request Dr. Dhananjay Rao Garu, Director Industrial and International Program, to kindly proceed with the agenda points of this meeting.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. K. Gopal Garu, Registrar Dr. S. Garu, and Dr. Muhammad Ismail Garu, Principal, SASI Institute of Technology and Engineering, Tadepalligudem, and M. Pavan Kumar Rajgari, Head of Innovations, SASI Institute of Technology and Engineering, Tadepalligudem, and Dean of Horticulture, Dr. Naram Garu, Controller of Exams, Dr. Prasanna Kumar Garu, and Director of Research in Charge and Dean of Research, Dr. P.T. Venkatraman Garu, Dean of Student Affairs, Dr. Sri Kumar Garu, and University Librarian, Dr. Raman Garu, Planning and Monitoring Director, Dr. Vijay Ratnam Garu, and Director of Extension, Dr. Govindraj Garu, and all other university officers, and all associate deans of colleges of horticulture, principals of horticulture colleges, heads of research stations, and heads of KVKs, and all students, teachers, and scientists. And welcome to Dr. YSR Horticulture University, Venkatramanagudem, Tadepalligudem, and SASI Institute of Technology and Engineering, Tadepalligudem, for signing of MOU. In this, we have already signed 87 MOUs with different national and international institutes, and we are entering into the another MOU for signing of MOU with the SASI Institute of Technology and Engineering. And with Engineering Institute, this is the first time, I think, sir. And generally, we will sign the MOUs for collaborative research projects and students exchange programs and faculty exchange programs and development of lab facilities. And we have seen the SASI Institute of Technology and Engineering is excellent engineering college at Tadepalligudem, and more than 5,000 students are studying there for degree, MSc and PhD programs at Tadepalligudem. And we are very fortunate to have a MOU with the SASI Institute of Technology. In this context, and as per our suggestions of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, not like a just routine sake of signing MOUs. We will have a collaborative research projects with signed MOUs, and according to directions, we have identified some of the issues, the latest technologies. You all know that nowadays artificial intelligence and machine learning, drone technologies, robotics, sensor technology, nanotechnology. So these are the latest trends in nowadays, and their applications, that technologies applications in point of agriculture, for the benefit of the farming community and for the transfer of technology and to identify the pest and diseases. We are want to have a collaborative research projects with in collaboration with the SASI Institute of Technologies, and just I will read after that our honorable Vice Chancellor. So now I invite our honorable Vice Chancellor to give the presidential remarks. Sir, thank you.
Good afternoon to everybody. So as we planned earlier, this is the third meeting here. We planned twice and discussed certain areas where we can have a collaboration, a meaningful collaboration. We have many, but how many are in true sense working? So we have seen. But here we are conducting third one because to have a more meaningful and functional relationship between these two institutions. Yes, mainly on student and scientist research project works on certain important issues on which we need solutions. The solutions which are useful to the farmer, and also in certain cases it is useful to the institutes. So here I want to stress only 4 or 5 things. One, we know that drone technology, it is becoming popular, and it is inevitable in the coming days. Without that, probably not possible. Until unless we go for reduction of the cost of production, survival of the farmer is not that easy. So here the government of Andhra Pradesh and the government of India, for that matter, many institutes are thinking of extensive use of the drones. So here the use of drones varies from crop to crop, and again area to area probably. So here we want to have SOPs in drones on perennial crops, how to, and again on annual crops like some small crops like chili, tomato, and even banana and papaya. These are all annual or biannual, or even bit short in height. So here, and again, the use of these drones, it also very important at what stage we have to use. If it is at a flowering stage, can we employ this or not? Because there are certain reports that where it is used extensively in pest control in gram, there is a lot of flower drop, and again a lot of damage. Not actually damage, but there was a heavy drop. So how that these that pressures are I don't know. There's maybe the speed that fans rotation, and again that area for its rotation, and again its speed. Probably these things need to be standardized to have a less effect on the adverse effect on the crop. And again, That is one area of interest with SASI. And again, second one, using development of some sensors, soil sensors, soil moisture sensors, for and automation in maybe in annual crops and also in perennial crops. So this is one area, and this is the second area, and the third one, and the development of certain formulations in pest and disease management by nanotech, by using the nanotechnology, that application preparation of formulations, nano formulations, and biocontrol, mostly biocontrol agents. And the second one, same nanotechnology application in development of nanoformulations of micronutrients. Maybe these micronutrients varies, combinations varies from crop to crop depending on the crop requirement. So this is another one. And again, we discussed earlier the harvesting in oil palm and in cocoa, in plantation crops. In fruit crops, the problem is there in case of mango and other crops like sapota, which are tall in nature. So these harvesting procedures, and again here the harvesting procedure, and also how to identify the matured one based on the indices. So here also sensor, use of sensor is more important. This is another area. And again, certain certain dryers, dehydration, dehydrators for drying purpose. In case of chili, in case of cocoa, and then even in other crops, we need certain small unit dryers and standardization. Then we can go for scaling up. Because there are already technology available for dryers in case of chili, operated using electricity. That looks costly. So even in recent review meeting with the Chief Minister, this point has come. So using solar and the development of these dryers for very, very important one. So these are the important areas which because there are so many, but at least we will start with at least 5. So here, all these works will be associated with the PG and the PhD students' research work, and we will see the partners from different research stations of ISRHU who comes forward this for this. Then, so both of you sit together and develop a program. What are the things need to be done right there? And again, what are the things which we can keep in PhD or MSc thesis report? Means 1 or 2 objectives, and rest of the things how we can do by mutual funding or some collaborative research work or submitting. Yes, we can submit these strong proposals on these 4 or 5 areas which I mentioned now. We can go for funding to government authority. They are ready to do. So this is also another one. So now this is what I wanted to say. So do you want to present something now?
Yes, sir.
Nothing. Okay. Now, dear. Okay. You want to say something? Okay.
So I invited Dr. Mohammed Ismail, SASI Institute of Technology and Engineering, Principal of SASI Institute of Technology.
Good afternoon, everybody. Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, Dr. K. Gopal Garu, respected Dr. K. Dhananjay Garu, DIIP, Dr. B. Srinivaslu, Registrar Garu, esteemed officials and head of institutes, scientists of Dr. YSR Horticultural University. Good afternoon, everybody. So I am Dr. Mohammed Ismail, Principal of SASI Institute of Technology and Engineering. I take this opportunity to portray the strengths of what SASI stands for. We are having almost 12 undergraduate programs in emerging technologies, including AI/ML, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cybersecurity, robotics, including mechanical engineering, 4 PG programs, including MBA, and 5 PhD programs in emerging technologies. Additionally, we have a lot of infrastructure in terms of laboratories. Recently, we established the augmented reality, virtual reality lab. We are having the drone lab. We are having the idea labs, wherein almost all the mechanization, whatever automation is required, the infrastructure is available. Almost 258 we are faculty members, out of that 62 are doctorates, with the diversification of qualification. And with this trend, definitely I assure whatever the aspiration of our Honorable Vice Chancellor is there, it is possible to implement and definitely apply for collaborative funding. Thank you for giving an opportunity, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now, Dean of Horticulture, Dr. Naram.
No, just I'll interact when during the discussions. No, otherwise the presentation.
We have PowerPoint, PowerPoint.
ఇది మన
Same. The world
అవన్నీ ఉపయోగం
PowerPoint.
Yes, next.
So here just you go through some of the issues after conducting Zoom meeting with you all. We identified some of the areas: waste to wealth project models development by the students, solar systems, improvement of economically feasible and sustainable mango covers from crop byproducts like paddy straw, coconut, etc. against the pest and bird attacks rather than polythene bags. Biodegradable mulches for production of crops, sensor-based scheduling irrigation for orchard crops, sensor-based soil moisture estimation technology, sensor-based auto detection of pests and diseases in various stages of coconut, especially rhinoceros beetle and red palm weevil, sensor-based maturity indices for coconut, which lessens the harvested wastage, sensor-based diagnosis of pest and disease severity, automation of drip irrigation and sensor-based scheduling of irrigation, like fixing intervals of irrigation in vegetable crops, specifically in chili, sensor-based irrigation in mango, sensor-based stem and root borer management in cashew. Automation of farm irrigation, sensor-based estimation of curcumin content in turmeric, GIS-based population estimation of crop, nanotechnology for soil moisture estimation, nano formulations of biopesticides like azotobacter and trichoderma, and biotics test management and detection using nanotechnology in turmeric, application of nanotechnology for extended period of pheromones, nano formulations for pheromones, development of nano formulations for zinc and iron in banana and elephant foot yam, forecasting of pest and diseases in mango. Price forecasting system for major crops, price forecasting of flower crops mainly in cocoa market, fiber extraction machinery and equipment for banana, equipment machinery for removal of banana pseudostem, equipment or machinery for banana pitting and planting, modification of existing long pole harvesters in oil palm, requirement of solar dryers or shade dryers to improve the quality of beans rather than such drying in cocoa, solution for pumping problems in drone spraying while using top formulations. So these are the areas we identified. We want to have customized solution for the above problems. And when we discussed with the SASI Institute of Technology, above all 29 projects, except 2 biotic stress management and detection using nanotechnology in turmeric and application of nanotechnology for extended period of pheromones, nano formulations for pheromones, except these 2, that the SASI Institute came forward to give the solutions and prepare the projects in collaboration with Dr. YSR Horticulture University. In this context, I invite the suggestions or anything you want to speak, please, I invite you all, you can speak on this projects. Associate deans. Because here MSc and PhD students also will be allotted, and the project reports have to be prepared by both the SASI with the consultation with the SASI Institute and Dr. YSR Horticulture University, and MSc PhD students also get involved in this preparation of projects, and the faculty and the scientists. And so this is the beginning, the collaborative research projects for signing MOUs, and invite your suggestions from the audience, engineering side scientists. Hello?
Good afternoon, sir.
College of Horticulture. We
Good
are
afternoon, sir.
Dr. Sheshkiran is.
Dr. Seshkaran, please.
Sir, you told about that pheromone, no, sir. That comes under material science. Probably they can collaborate because generally most of the pheromones which we are using companies, they only have a long, lesser shelf life or like lesser field level functional parameters. So if
Yes,
they
sir,
can
Kiran.
develop, yes, sir.
Yes, Kiran. They
Yes, sir,
said
yes, sir.
they are not interested on that
And
pheromones,
Yes,
okay?
yes,
You
yes.
leave that and you talk about other things.
So SESI is not having that knowledge on this two aspects, biotic stress management and reduction in nanotechnology in turmeric and application of nanotechnology for extended period of pheromones, nanoformulation for pheromones. Except these two, SESI came forward.
Okay, I'll come by department wise, okay? So fruits department, fruits and the PSMA, who are interested to have collaboration with SASI on use of drones and development of formulations of micronutrients, and again development of sensor based, even harvesters and sensor based irrigation application. Talpat Rao, Kiriti, I think they are not there.
They're not there, sir.
Yes. Okay, Neeraja.
Yes, sir. Sir, with regard to coconut, the sensor-based auto detection of pests and diseases, sir.
Yeah.
Especially Rhinoceros beetle and red palm weevil, sir.
Okay.
That project, and also so much of tender nut coconut waste and cocoa pod husk and leaves waste is there, sir, in both cropping systems.
Okay.
Farmers are asking about how to we convert that waste into other products. So that product also we are interested, sir.
Okay, Ma. Here, Dr. Neeraja is a pathologist in working on coconut in Ambazipet. She's a good scientist, worked on even cocoa. So even you can work on cocoa also, no? Detection of pests and diseases.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now I am working on diseases, sir.
Okay, even you can add. Anusha is there, no? We can both work.
Yes.
Because at a time you have to go for both entomology and pathology there.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So we will entomology department head. Emmanuel, Ramay garu, Charada, Vijay. Okay, associate in College of Horticulture, Tadepalligudem and Anantrajpet. Are you there?
Please switch on our videos.
I request all of you be visible to.
So, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Where were you?
Sir, the class is on, sir.
You see, you should be attentive when you conduct a meeting.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay, you are Neeraja and you Neeraja yourself. Discuss both of you, you and Anusha. Okay,
Okay, sir.
even talk to Narasimha Rao. So you both, if you 4 people sit together and develop a project for MSc and PhD students will be there. And again, part of work we have to do. Okay. So first you talk about a project. Time we will give only 1 week. Okay. So
Okay,
from
sir.
next time, yeah, because already the PhD students, for PG and PhD students, you have to allot research works. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So you should hurry up. Okay.
Sure, sir.
One is coconut and second one is cocoa. On these
Cocoa.
2 crops, you take up the projects. Okay.
Sure,
Both
sure, sir,
entomology and pathology.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay.
Sure, sir.
From Ambazipet, Neeraja and Anusha will be there, and you people from college. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay. You agree?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Okay. Next, coming to irrigation, sensor-based irrigation methods, agronomy, root science, vegetable science.
Good afternoon, sir.
Soil science, yeah, tell me.
Sir, sensor-based irrigation we should focus on, sir, for vegetables and especially in Kadapa region, this banana, papaya, for these crops, sir, and the vegetables like tomato also we need to focus upon, sir.
Okay, you take up on 2 crops. One is tomato, another one papaya or banana. With these 2. Banana
Okay.
from fruit science department and onion, this tomato from vegetables. Okay.
Okay.
Then we will expand to other crops next year. We'll
Okay.
start with these 2 crops and irrigation systems. Okay. Sensor-based irrigation systems.
Tomato and bananas.
Yeah. Dorojana garu. Okay. So anybody from fruit science, Venkatramanagudem? Yeah. Dorojana garu.
Sir.
So we decided
Yes,
one.
sir.
We decided one sensor-based detection and management of disease, pests and diseases in cocoa and coconut, Ambazipet and College of Horticulture, Venkatramanagudem. Okay. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
that
sir.
is
Yes.
one thing. And second
Yes,
thing,
sir.
this irrigation, sensor-based irrigation systems, development of technologies using sensors. Okay.
Sir.
So yeah, it will be
Sir, I have one point, sir, to submit here.
so just to hear me.
SASI Institute of Technology.
Doroji garu ఒక నిమిషం ఆగండి.
Sir.
Yeah. Papaya and tomato. Papaya from fruits department Anantrajpet and tomato from Anantrajpet. Vegetables and Anantrajpet they will be involved in that. So do you have any other crop to work on for this irrigation systems, sensor based irrigation systems? Yeah, fruits,
I
vegetables.
have one
That is
small
the main-
submission, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Fruits, vegetables, and even for flower crops. I
Okay.
want sensor-based analysis of air quality. Is there any possibility of analysis of air quality in respect of certain pollutants like benzene?
Okay,
and
under
carbon
which
monoxide,
department you
etc.?
want to take up this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which department? Because you have to
Floriculture, sir. Floriculture.
floriculture. How you do it in floriculture? So
Different
air
potted
quality,
plants have
how
different
you
abilities.
go, how you do that in floriculture? That quality measurement of air in flower crops. How you do that?
Sir, we have different ornamentals which are suitable for indoor placement. So we have already some prima facie information that some of the ornamentals are capable of ameliorating some of the pollutants.
Okay.
So nowadays, it is a matter of concern that in the concrete buildings, apartments, etc., the
So
air
okay, now
quality
I
index.
got Dr. Rajanaik.
Okay.
Rajanaik. Dr. Rajanaik. Okay, Dorajirao, yourself and Rajanaik, you both of you sit together.
Sir.
And you on which crop you want to have, and again you identify the students, and you can have one crop here and one crop at Anantrajpet. Okay, you identify the flower crops on which you want to work on. Okay, because Rajanaik worked on pollution control using different crops, so that's why I am telling his name. So both of you sit together and propose projects, maybe for 2 people or 4 people, okay? But on different crops or on same crop, different aspects.
Yes, sir. Can I involve local floriculture department, sir, from Venkataramanagudem?
You can. You
Okay,
you are associate dean.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Sir.
You are representative of this college only, no? So that's why I'm telling.
Okay.
Yeah, you. Yeah.
Okay.
Floriculture means Venkataramanagudem means your department only. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. HRS Venkataramanagudem, sir.
Ramesh,
yes, sir. Sir,
మీరు ఒకసారి కనపడండి కనపడకుండా ఎట్లుంటదమ్మా
sir. Sir, we are also interested to take up the sensor-based irrigation in chili or cucumber or capsicum in polyhouses, sir.
Polyhouse.
Yes.
So you take up capsicum.
Yes, sir. Capsicum.
Because chili we will see for long.
Not chili, sir. Capsicum or cucumber, sir.
Yeah, okay, whatever. Either cucumber or capsicum, because it will be done in COE, na?
Yes, sir. Yes,
so,
sir.
yes, these 2 crops will be more appropriate rather than chili.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yourself and even Venkatramana. Lam Venkatramana, both of you check out a program and send it to PGD. Then we will talk to SASI people. And both of you can we will give contact numbers and all. You can sit together and you can prepare projects. Okay.
Okay. Sir.
But here you see that don't keep entire project in PhD or MSc students' thesis. At least part should be there, and rest we have to give it to another student or we have to do it. We will give small fundings, no problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, good afternoon. I'm Dr. Kalpana, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, from plantation spices, medicinal and aromatic crops. Sir, we are interested in sensor-based irrigation system in coconut-based cropping system, sir.
Okay. Coconut Ambazipet, we will give that to Ambazipet. Here you make up other crops, oil palm.
Oil palm already irrigation schedules are there, sir.
Okay.
So coconut and cocoa will include mainly.
Okay, cocoa you can have cocoa, yes.
Yes, sir. Cocoa will have.
Because that is mandated station, no coconut. That's why I told. So you can work on cocoa, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Sensor based irrigation. Yeah.
Irrigation schedule.
The
in
development of schedules based on soil moisture.
They should coordinate.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and again, you should coordinate with the Vijay Rai people, okay? So
Yes,
you
sir. Yes, sir.
you both of you sit together and develop a project, and you will be the chairman, and the co-chairman will be there from Vijay Rai, or
Okay.
Sasi one co-chairman will be there, and again members
Yes.
will be there from our rest of the members from our side, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So here chairman will be there from your departments and co-chairman will be there from Sasi. And
Sasi,
again, members,
okay.
yes, we can have from one or two there, from
Vijay.
there, and again from here also, no problem, depending on the
Okay, sir.
subject which you select for research. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Darojara garu చెప్పండి.
Sir. Mango.
చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నారు చెప్పండి.
లేదు సార్, ఓన్లీ రియల్ టైమ్ ఎయిర్ క్వాలిటీ అనాలిసిస్ గురించే మాట్లాడుతున్నాను సార్.
ఓకే ఓకే దట్ ఓకే ఆల్రెడీ డన్. మీరు రాజన్ మాట్లాడండి, మాట్లాడి దెన్ వీళ్ళ సార్ వాళ్ళు మీకు కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్స్ ఇస్తారు. ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత దెన్ యూ దే విల్ గివ్ ద ఎగ్జాక్ట్ పర్సన్ విత్ హూమ్ యూ హావ్ టు కాంటాక్ట్ అండ్ డెవలప్. ఓకే
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే. So what about drones? Application of drones in nutritional sprays, pesticide sprays. Yeah, tell me.
And so, regarding the drone technology, sir, the Sigitaka disease management is very much serious in banana, sir. We are interested in estimating the quantity and then technology for the drone application. Pesticide application through drone technology. We are interested, sir. Along with, if possible, that automated using AI technology, the disease detection. If it is possible, these two we can combine in banana, sir. And also micronutrient application using drone technology, sir.
Here, pesticide sprays and detection. These two can be combined.
Yes, combined, sir.
Again, nutrition means again to which student you have to get that issue comes. Okay, either science or pathology intervention వస్తుంది. So మీరు డిటెక్షన్ అండ్ పెస్టిసైడ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ దాని మీద మీరు ఈ మేడంతో మాట్లాడండి. పెథాలజీ మేడం ఇట్లా ఉన్నారు కదా, అలాగే శశికరణ్తో కూడా మీరు కొలాబరేట్, మీరు ఇద్దరు ముగ్గురు కలిసి కూర్చొని ఒకటి ప్రిపేర్ చేయండి. ఓకే. సో పెథాలజీ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నుంచి మీకు స్టూడెంట్ అలాట్ చేస్తారు. దెన్ కాలేజీలో వాళ్ళు చైర్మన్ ఉంటారు, మీరు ఒక మెంబర్గా ఉంటారు. ఇక్కడ వీళ్ళు సెషన్ నుంచి కూడా మెంబర్ కో చైర్మన్ ఉంటారు. ఓకే. Okay. So next, drone applications. Coconut, oil palm, cocoa, mango.
Sir, for coconut, we are in process, sir, for using drones for release of predators and parasitoids and biocontrol agents.
For releasing
predators, sir. Predators.
Okay. Okay.
But there is a need to standardize, sir. But with regard to coconut leaves,
అది స్టాండర్డైజేషన్ కోసమే కదమ్మా ఇది రీసెర్చ్ వర్క్ ఉంటుంది.
yes,
yes, దానికోసమే. So to develop SOPs only, we are trying this exercise.
Yeah.
సో ఓకే, మీరు నీరజ, మీరు తర్వాత ఈ ఆయిల్ పామ్ కూడా ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆయిల్ పామ్ లో కూడా వదులుతారు కదా సేమ్ అవే ప్రెడేటర్స్ పారాసైట్స్. సో మీరు ఆయిల్ పామ్ ఇద్దరు మాట్లాడండి. సో 2 క్రాప్స్ మీద we will see one for MS and PhD students, that it can be given to PhD students also. So మీరు ఒకసారి మాట్లాడండి. మీరు మాట్లాడి then you contact the concerned person. We will give his number. Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
చెప్పండి.
సార్ ఆయిల్ పామ్ లో స్పైరలింగ్ వైట్ ఫ్లై ఒకటి ఇన్సిడెన్స్ చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉంది సార్.
సో దానికేనమ్మా, దానికి ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళు నీరజ్ చెప్పింది అదే, దానికోసమే ఆయిల్ పామ్ 2 కంబైన్ చేయమని చెప్పాను.
ఎస్ సార్.
ఎస్
సార్ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ సార్.
ఆయిల్ పామ్ లో మీకు హార్వెస్టింగ్ ప్రాబ్లం కదా?
సార్ అవును సార్, హార్వెస్టింగ్ రాశారు సార్. ఇందులో మాడిఫికేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ లాంగ్ పోల్ హార్వెస్టర్స్ ఇన్ ఆయిల్ పామ్ ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్నది సార్.
ఓకే.
Good evening, sir. Emmanuel speaking, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, regarding coconut and oil palm, we need to customize the drones, sir, because the drones will be spraying from the top of the canopy. So we need customized to have some L bend type, and we need to increase the pressure so that it can be reaching to the lower end of the leaves, sir, because otherwise simply spraying on the top of the canopy doesn't serve the purpose. So
that's what we are talking about. Development of SOPs. Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
And again, harvesters in mango, oil palm.
ఆయిల్ పామ్ హార్వెస్టింగ్ కి కావాలి సార్ మాకు.
ఓకే. అదే అంటే మీరు ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ఏమున్నాయో ఒకసారి మీరు ప్రిపేర్ చేయండి, ఒకసారి ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తే ఒక 1 week లోపల, దెన్ దే విల్ సీ. అండ్ అగైన్ దాంట్లో మోడిఫికేషన్ లేకుంటే వాళ్ళు ఏమైనా కొత్త ఇదేమైనా చేస్తారనేది దట్ వి విల్ సీ. ఓకే.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే
సరే
సార్. గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ సార్.
లామ్ నుంచి ఎవరు లేరా? ఓకే, ఉమామేశ్వర్, టెల్ మీ.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in sensor technology for cashew stem and root borer were included, sir.
Okay.
Apart from this one, farmers are facing a problem with respect to the removal of separation of the cashew apple from nuts, sir. That machinery is required, sir, for cashew, sir.
ఓకే ఓకే నప్పా. అదే మీ
cashew apple.
ఓకే, పోస్ట్ హార్వెస్ట్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నుంచి ఒక స్టూడెంట్స్ అలాట్ చేస్తారు. మీరు పోస్ట్ హార్వెస్ట్ ఎవరు? సుధావాణి, మీరు సుధావాణి మేడం మాట్లాడండి. ఓకే.
ఓకే సార్.
చూడండి.
అలాగే సార్.
అలాగే ఇంకా దేంట్లో పోస్ట్ హార్వెస్ట్ ఇక్కడ డ్రైయర్స్, చిల్లీ డ్రైయర్స్, తర్వాత కోకో బీన్స్ డ్రైయర్స్, ఇవి కూడా అవసరమే. ఓకే.
For cocoa bean solar based dryers we need to assess and refine and
అదే
that is more important, sir.
Yeah,
that will take up from college, sir.
Yeah. సో ఈ పోస్ట్ హార్వెస్ట్ సుధావాణి గారు మీరు ఒకసారి ఇదమ్మా అయిన తర్వాత అక్కడ ఎవరు భయన్న ఆర్ శివప్రసాద్.
ఓకే సార్.
భయన్న శివప్రసాద్ తోను మాట్లాడుతూ ఈ డ్రైయర్స్ చిల్లీకి అయిన తర్వాత ఈ వెంకటరమణ లామ్.
ఓకే సార్.
ఒకసారి మాట్లాడండి.
ఓకే సార్.
చిల్లీకి తర్వాత కోకోకి తర్వాత ఈ ఆనియన్ కి వీటికి చూడండి డ్రైయర్స్. ఓకే.
ఓకే సార్.
యా, ఇవన్నీ కూడా సోలార్ డ్రైయర్సే పెట్టాలా, నో ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ. ఓకే.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే సార్, టెల్ మీ.
Yes.
I think enough.
Yeah.
ఓకే. మీ నంబర్ ఒకటి తీసుకోండి.
సార్, ప్లీజ్ యూ నోట్ డౌన్ పవన్ కుమార్ రాజు, శశి ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ టెక్నాలజీ, 7777 ఫోన్ నంబర్ 7777881333 7777881333. Pawan Kumar Raju garu, any details, any doubts you can clarify with him.
No clarification. You ask, he will give you the contact person number, and you people sit together and develop the projects. Okay. And whatever he is doing, you will do. If he is involved in some project, he will also come into the picture in contact development of the project. Okay. Anything else?
Sir, this is Vijay Lakshmi from Venkatramanagudem, sir.
Sir, here Venkatramanagudem, it's a big challenge to manage the monkeys, sir. Any sensor-based monkey management is there, I will take up.
Okay, we have anything?
Solar fences we can
Okay.
customize.
Solar fence, we are planning. We are planning.
There are some sensors.
Solar fencing only work up to 1 or 2 months, sir. Already at KVK we evaluated.
They are available.
But not so effective.
Not so.
Yeah.
విసురుటికి వస్తే సెన్సార్ వస్తే డిఫరెంట్ సౌండ్ ఒకే సౌండ్ కాదు అలాగే ఏమైనా
They are already available. They are available.
అది ఏదైనా ఒక ఎంట్రన్స్ దగ్గర అట్లాంటివి అయితే మనం కెన్ హ్యావ్. ఓపెన్ ఫీల్డ్ లో ఎన్ని పెడతారు? That is అంటే మెయిన్ ఎంట్రన్స్ లో కావాలనుకుంటే లైక్ సీసీ కెమెరా వీ కెన్ హ్యావ్. సో అదేమైనా పలాంది వచ్చింది అంటే దెన్ ఇట్ మే గివ్ సమ్ సౌండ్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్ సమ్ సిగ్నల్. ఇక్కడ ఓపెన్ దీంట్లో ఎలా ఇస్తుంది కదా? సో అదర్ సెన్సార్ ఐ డోంట్.
గుడ్ పాయింట్. ఐ థింక్ let us have some
They are available, but కొంచెం
innovative ideas we can
some ideas we can think.
Available technologies are not that much effective. Whatever the technology is available.
Modify it, like you are saying that sound sensoring is not very effective. Can we change it like changing the sounds every 5, I mean for 1 day? They don't get used to it. So for 1-2 hours.
Yeah, they get used to it after some time.
No,
You can't make the difference.
Yeah, we have experience here.
Yes, but something.
కొన్ని రోజులు అవి ఉంటాయి.
Very intelligent.
మేడం
I've seen many bird scarers, many
yeah.
scarers and all, and online many are available. Nothing is effective. Everybody knows it.
అదే మనకి ఇప్పుడు మన క్యాంపస్ లో కూడా పీజీ స్టూడెంట్స్
Campus లో it's a big menace. Real problem.
some recorded ఇది పెట్టేసి బ్యాటరీ ఆపరేటెడ్ పెట్టి వాళ్ళు ఇంకా అది వాళ్ళు మంకీ వాళ్ళు అరుస్తుంటారు తోలుతారు.
Small submission, sir.
అరుస్తుంటది అది.
Ramaya, sir. Small submission, sir. Please, sir.
సౌండ్లు తెచ్చుకుంటా అవి కొన్ని రోజులు బాగానే
Sir,
ఉంటుంది.
Dr. Ramaya, submission, sir.
It was assassinated.
Hello.
Anything any
Sir,
robotic
small
type,
submission, sir.
చెప్పండి చెప్పండి.
Sir, small submission, sir.
ఇక్కడ ఇంతసేపు ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారు?
Sir, just now I came from third year class, sir. So I have one remedy for the monkeys, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, that is one longra. Longra, what is one of the species, sir? The cornapothul అంటారు పెద్దవి.
లంగూర్
వాటిని ఒకటి రేర్ చేయగలిగితే మనకు మంకీస్ ని అవాయిడ్ చేయొచ్చు సార్. ప్లీజ్ సార్.
ఒకటి ఉండకూడదండి, అవి కూడా రెండు ఉండాలి.
రెండు ఉండాలి సార్.
అది రెండు ఉంటే అదే బయటకు వెళ్ళిపోతుంది.
సో దట్ కెన్ బి బ్రీడ్ సార్. అదే బ్రీడ్ చేస్తున్నారు సార్ వాటిని. వాటిని కానీ మనం రెండు తెచ్చుకోగలిగితే ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈజీ టు కంట్రోల్ ద మంకీస్ సార్.
అది ఉంది, అది తెలిసిందే.
We tried all the methods, sir. We are engaging one person from all the any sensor. Advanced technology is there. We can with the sensors to scatter or to disturb the monkey menace. It is there. We will take up, sir. KVK we are good.
Okay,
no, madam. One thing here. So actually, that is a practice.
Ramaya garu.
Madam, in Anantara, one submission, sir. One submission, sir. In Anantara.
Ramaya.
Sir, sir.
ఇది ఆర్నిథాలజీ వాళ్ళని అడగండి. ఏషార్పిన్ ఆర్నిథాలజీ హైదరాబాద్ లో ఉంది కదా, వాళ్ళని అడిగితే ప్రాబబుల్ సొల్యూషన్స్ వాళ్ళు ఇవ్వగలుగుతారు. మనం ఏం మాట్లాడినా ఓకే.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We are talking about technologies. కోతులు తెచ్చి పెంచుకోవడం మనం డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్స్ పాసిబుల్.
లైట్ రేస్
some new idea.
మొదట్లో మన దగ్గర ఒక భయంకర
monkey scaring.
ఆయన చనిపోయిన తర్వాత వాళ్ళ స్థాయిలో బయట రాలేదు.
దాన్ని ఏమైనా ఇంకొంచెం అంటే ఇప్పుడు సౌండ్స్ అలవాటు పడుతుంది. Ludhiana Agriculture University is doing, sir. If anything is there, we will take up, sir. We are good.
ఓకే ఓకే, తెప్పించండి చూద్దాం.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, you procured that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. వీళ్ళు ఎన్సిఐబిఎం వాళ్ళని కూడా అడగకూడదు ఢిల్లీ. ఎన్సిఐబిఎం వాళ్ళని కూడా అడగండి అమ్మా.
Sure, sir.
అడిగారు వాళ్ళు.
Sir, some ultrasonic they will scare monkeys అని some specific frequencies ఉన్నాయి సార్. దాని మీద ఏమైనా వర్క్ చేయొచ్చు సార్. Instead of ఇట్లాంటి other procedures కన్నా specific frequencies that will scare monkeys, sir.
But again, you have to see the effect of that on human beings. Even good చూడాలా. అవి కొద్దిగా అంటే until unless we do deep research, we cannot అది కొద్దిగా కష్టమైంది అవన్నీ అయిన తర్వాత అది వాటి హెల్త్కి ఏమైనా అయ్యేటట్టు ఉంటే కూడా మళ్ళీ అగైన్ బయోడైవర్సిటీ ఇవన్నీ ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవుతాయి. అవి కొద్దిగా చూడాలంట.
They just can also have some waste to wealth projects, recycling of water and products.
Waste to wealth is coconut
products just manamu on the garbage waste, plastics.
So it is no way related to
only for
students.
students.
It's not related to students. It is for institutes and then. So even all students could use of the
Student research
projects kuda matladu.
Okay. And that we can discuss. But అది మీకు మాకు మా స్టూడెంట్స్ కి మీ స్టూడెంట్స్ కి అందరికి యూస్ఫుల్. అది ఏమన్నా ఆలోచిస్తే
different institutes ఏదైనా just not busy research.
సార్ నమస్తే సార్, వెంకటస్వామి ఫ్రమ్ హెచ్ఆర్ఎస్ కొవ్వూరు సార్.
చెప్పండి
సార్, it was proposed some of the machinery to extract the fiber from banana and also planting and pitting, sir. Apart from that, sensor based harvesting of banana bunches, sir, it can be given to the students, sir. Sensor based harvesting to be
హర్షవర్ధన్
ఇక్కడ harvesters విన్న రాసుకున్నప్పుడు banana కూడా ఇంక్లూడ్ చేస్తారు.
sensor based harvesting in banana, sir.
హర్షవర్ధన్
సార్ గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ సార్.
గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్. ఈ బనానాలో హార్వెస్టింగ్ సెన్సార్ బేస్డ్ హార్వెస్టింగ్ మెథడ్స్ మీరు ఈసారి చూడండి ఒక స్టూడెంట్. ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకే సార్. ఎస్ సార్.
అదే కొవ్వూరు వాళ్ళతో డిస్కస్ చేస్తూ ఒక నంబర్ ఇచ్చారు కదా పవన్ కుమార్ రాజు, వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడండి అండ్ దే విల్ కనెక్ట్ యూ ద కన్సర్న్ పర్సన్. ఓకే దెన్ వి డెవలప్ ప్రాజెక్ట్.
షూర్ సార్.
సో మళ్ళీ ఏది చెప్తున్నా, మళ్ళీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో టోటల్ గా స్టూడెంట్స్ కి ఇది కాకుండా అట్లీస్ట్ ఒక హాఫ్ వాళ్ళకు ఉండేటట్టు చూడండి, మిగిలిన హాఫ్ మనం చేసేదా లేకుండా ఉంటే మన ఇంకొక స్టూడెంట్ కి ఇచ్చేదా చూస్తాం. అంటే చూడండి ఒకసారి, అంటే చిన్న చిన్న ఫండింగ్ కావాలంటే మనం ఇస్తాము. దట్ పర్టికులర్ సైంటిస్ట్ హూ ఇస్ ఇన్ అడ్వైజరీ కమిటీ దే కెన్ టేక్ అప్. లేదా ఇద్దరు స్టూడెంట్స్ క్లియర్ చేసి ఇచ్చేటటువంటి నో ప్రాబ్లం. అంటే కొన్ని ఇవ్వలేము, కొన్ని ఇవ్వగలుగుతాము, అవి చూడండి. ఓకే.
This is Ranjit here, sir, from CRS Tirupati. I have one proposal. We can go for this pest mapping and development of pest forecasting models using AI and machine learning in important food crops. Pest mapping and development of pest forecasting modules in important food crops using AI and artificial intelligence and machine learning.
Okay, you prepare one project, we will see. Okay. ఒకటి ప్రిపేర్ చేయండి రంజిత్. హలో
సార్,
ఒకటి ప్రాజెక్ట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయండి.
ఓకే సార్. ఎందుకంటే మనకి పెస్ట్ ఫోర్కాస్టింగ్ మోడల్స్ ఎంతవరకు డెవలప్ చేయలేదు సార్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఫర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పెస్ట్.
అదే ఒకసారి మీరు ఆ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ప్రపోజల్ రెడీ చేయండి. దెన్ అంటే ఇక్కడ అట్లాంటివి స్టూడెంట్స్ కి ఇప్పుడే వద్దు, ఎందుకంటే మనం సబ్మిట్ ఇట్ టు ఫండింగ్ ఏజెన్సీ. మీరు అది రెడీ చేయండి కాంక్రీట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ వచ్చి, దెన్ వీ విల్ సీ వన్ డే విల్ హ్యావ్ యువర్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్, దెన్ విల్ టు విచ్ ఫండింగ్ ఏజెన్సీ వీ నీడ్ టు సెండ్ ఆర్ విల్ ఆస్క్ ది గవర్నమెంట్ టు fund it. If it is an important one, definitely they will go. But of course it is important, but we'll see. You prepare a concrete project on that, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. This is Gautam Dikshitlu, sir, from HRS Viyargudem.
ఇంతసేపు ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారమ్మా?
Sir, I have already present, sir. I am listening.
You see, you should have some time sense.
I have been already presented, sir. I'm contacting with the Ramesh Babu, sir.
We asked at the beginning itself about the engineers. Okay, tell me.
Sir, automatic protray seed filling machine also we can have an idea, sir.
Automatic?
Protray seed filling machine, sir.
It is there, no? It is already there in COE.
Efficiency was slightly lesser, sir.
That is enough. That is not required. You propose another one. Okay?
Online. Okay.
Propose another one.
899.
Yeah, it's already commercialized thing.
అంటే చేసుకున్న ఓకే ఇంకా
అది అవసరం లేదమ్మా. It's already
అదే
there.
బ్యాంక్స్ లెవెల్ గోల్డ్వి చేయించుకోవాలి. ఓకే సార్. 3 ఏళ్ల నుంచి పెండింగ్ పెట్టి అలా తిరుగుతా ఉన్నాం. పెళ్ళెప్పుడు కరోనా టైంలో హడావుడి చేయించుకోలేదు. జాయిన్ అయినప్పటి నుంచి చేసుకునే దగ్గరే ఉన్నాం.
డాక్టర్ రాజేశ్వరి
అయిపోయింది.
Anything else?
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Sir, good afternoon, sir. In PG research, we will add one more objective on nano formulations, development of nano formulations. Against diseases, plant diseases, or fungal or bacterial diseases in vegetables, sir, like tomato. Sir, want to add one more member from SASI Institute.
Yeah, definitely. There will be a members from SASI.
Sir,
in each and every one, there will be a member or co-chairman from SASI.
Co-chairman. Sir, there is a limit. Sir, there is a limit for PG students, 2 or 3.
So we can have 4.
Sir, okay.
It is 1+2. We can have 1+3 also.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you. So any your remarks? The proposals, what
the areas are very clearly well defined, wherein technology integration can be a reality. Because the technology is all pervasive, all the emerging technologies are all pervasive. They are penetrated into agriculture, horticulture. Yes. Only we need to just make it happen. Therein we can keep our expertise and collaborate with people. According to your requirement, we will provide customized solution. So, I'm very thankful to our Honorable Chairman, sir. With just one drop of a visit, sir has made this happen. I'm thankful, sir.
So all scientists are requested to submit the proposals within 1 week as directed by Honorable Vice Chancellor on drones, 5 projects and sensor technology, nano formulations, harvesting procedure, that is maturity indices, dryers, and artificial intelligence and machine learning. So these projects, please submit the proposals within 1 week after consultation with SASI Technology of Institute of Technology, Praveen Kumar Raj garu, that phone number given. And any doubts you can contact our Dean of PG Studies, Director of Research, and all university officers, and SASI Institute of Technology. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mother Dean. Sir.
Ramna, you want to?
Pawan Kumar Raj.
He is basically pharmacy. Pharmacy and forensics. Then MBA.
Okay. So thank you, sir. Thank you to our Honorable Vice Chancellor for actively participating and giving directions on this preparation of project proposals. And also thanks to our principal of SASI Institute of Technology, Dr. Muhammad Ismail Garu and Pawan Kumar Raj Garu, all university officers and all associate deans, all heads of research stations and all scientists. Thank you very much, and come up with the proposals within 1 week. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your efforts, for having faith in me. We will definitely look forward to where gaps